Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Patrick, and today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing strategies for beginners. If you're ready to unlock the potential of affiliate marketing and start making sales, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is undeniably one of the most powerful and accessible avenues for generating passive income online. It offers a win-win scenario for both affiliates and merchants, where affiliates promote products or services on behalf of merchants and earn a commission for every sale or lead they generate. But what exactly does it take to succeed in affiliate marketing? How do you get started? And more importantly, how do you ensure that you're making those all-important sales? The journey to affiliate marketing success begins with selecting the right niche. Your niche is essentially the topic or area of focus that your content revolves around. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're not only passionate about, but also knowledgeable in. Why? Because when you're passionate about a subject, it shines through in your content. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, drawing in your audience and establishing a sense of authenticity and trust. Moreover, being knowledgeable about your chosen niche allows you to create valuable, insightful content that genuinely resonates with your audience. Whether you're sharing tips, recommendations, or personal experiences, your expertise adds credibility to your recommendations, making your audience more likely to trust and act upon them. For example, if you're passionate about fitness and have extensive knowledge about nutrition and exercise, you might choose the health and wellness niche for your affiliate marketing efforts. Within this niche, you could promote products like fitness equipment, nutritional supplements, or online workout programs, leveraging your expertise to create engaging content that addresses your audience's fitness goals and challenges. By focusing on a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise, you're not only setting yourself up for success, but also laying the foundation for a sustainable, long-term affiliate marketing business. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about building relationships and providing value to your audience. And when you're genuinely passionate and knowledgeable about your niche, that value shines through in everything you do. So, as you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, take the time to carefully consider your niche. Choose something that ignites your passion and plays to your strengths. Your niche isn't just a category, it's the cornerstone of your affiliate marketing strategy, guiding your content creation efforts and shaping your relationship with your audience. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as it becomes the driving force behind your affiliate marketing success. Once you've identified your niche, the next step in your affiliate marketing journey is to research and select the best affiliate products or services to promote. This decision is crucial because the products you choose to promote will directly impact your success and reputation as an affiliate marketer. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind. 1. Quality. When selecting affiliate products or services, prioritize quality above all else. Look for products that are well-made, reliable, and offer genuine value to your audience. Remember, your credibility is at stake, so it's essential to promote products that you can stand behind with confidence. 2. Track record. Opt for products with a proven track record of success. Research the product's history, customer reviews, and testimonials to gauge its reputation in the market. Choose products from reputable merchants with a track record of delivering on their promises and providing excellent customer service. 3. Commission rates. While commission rates shouldn't be the sole determining factor, they're undoubtedly an important consideration. Look for affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates relative to the value of the product or service being promoted. However, prioritize quality and relevance over high commission rates, as promoting low-quality products for the sake of higher commissions can harm your credibility in the long run. 4. Alignment with your audience. Ensure that the products or services you choose to promote align closely with the interests, needs, and preferences of your target audience. Consider their demographics, pain points, and aspiration when selecting affiliate products, as relevance is key to driving conversions and maximizing your affiliate earnings. Once you've selected the right affiliate products or services, it's time to dive into the exciting process of creating content that drives traffic and converts visitors into customers. Content creation is where you have the opportunity to showcase your expertise. Build trust with your audience and ultimately drive sales. Here are some tips for creating compelling affiliate marketing content. 1. Provide value. Focus on providing value to your audience in every piece of content you create. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and offer actionable advice that helps them solve their problems or achieve their goals. When your audience perceives your content as valuable and helpful, they'll be more receptive to your affiliate recommendations. 2. Be authentic. Share your personal experiences, insights, and recommendations authentically. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your content and share your genuine thoughts and opinions about the products or services you're promoting. Authenticity builds trust and credibility with your audience, making them more likely to follow your recommendations. 3. Utilize multiple platforms. Experiment with different content formats and platforms to reach a wider audience, whether it's through blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Diversifying your content distribution channels allows you to connect with your audience in different ways and maximize your reach and impact. 4. Optimize for conversions. Structure your content in a way that encourages conversions. Include clear calls to action CTA letters that prompt your audience to take the desired action. Whether it's clicking on an affiliate link, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. Use persuasive language, compelling visuals, and persuasive storytelling techniques to motivate your audience to take action. By focusing on quality, relevance, authenticity, and value in your affiliate marketing content, you can build trust and credibility with your audience, drive traffic to your affiliate links, and ultimately increase your affiliate earnings. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about building mutually beneficial relationships with your audience and the merchants you partner with. When done effectively, it can be a lucrative and fulfilling way to monetize your online presence and achieve financial freedom.
Finally, don't forget to optimize your affiliate links and track your performance using analytics tools. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, so you can refine your strategies and maximize your earnings. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, stay persistent, and success will follow. Well, there you have it, folks, affiliate marketing strategies for beginners to kickstart their journey to success. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials.